Wajibambe, wajibambe, kama una hela basi nenda. Wajibambe, wajibambe, ukipewa chansi basi ringa. Wajibambe, wajibambe, nungu wapewe chizi yanaumiza. Wajibambe, wajibambe, moja na wake waya waya.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this wig. I bought this hair at 340 Kenyan shillings, and that is $3. And if you haven't subscribed, please click that subscribe button down below, and also click the bell button so that you get a notification anytime I upload a video. Okay, alright. So what you need for this wig is a dome cap, scissors, crochet latch, pins, glue, and hair, kinky hair. And this hair I got it for 340 shillings only. That is $3. Since my mannequin head is small, I always prefer just wrap around a piece of cloth to make it bigger, and so that my dome cap can fit on it. This hair had 8 bundles, but I only used 6. So what you need to do, you have to unravel the coils and separate them into as many pieces as you want, and this will quicken up the process.
Push me down to the ground. What goes around comes around. You won't put.
Don't crochet the band area. This is where we're going to apply our last trick for baby hair. And also, if you crochet the band, it will make the cap tighter and it will be so uncomfortable.
And there is no barricade that I can tear away.
So what you need to do, you have to insert the crochet latch into the dome cap, hook the hair onto it, and then pull it through the cap, just like that. And then crochet around the cap, but don't crochet on the band. Don't leave big space between the hair, just to make it look natural. And that is our first bundle. So I did the same on the second bundle, split them, and then just repeat the process. And that is our second bundle. And so these are 3 bundles. Just repeat the process and make sure you don't leave a big space between the hair.
Stones, go break all of my bones.
And so these are 4 bundles. I'm through with 4 bundles, guys, and it was super easy and so fast. So for the middle part, I took one of the bundles and split it into 2 because the hair was becoming bulky. And then you can see it's also long and it stretches. And then again separate them into as many pieces as I wanted, and then crochet it again in a circle. For the middle part, I just crocheted randomly. I didn't like go in a circle or follow a line. It was just random. And then hold the hair in a ponytail.
Push me down to the ground. What goes around comes around. You won't put the flame out. You can't get to me. Say what you wanna say. Go take it all away. But I'm here to stay. No, you can't get to me. And there is no barricade
apply the glue on the band, and then this is where we're going, to get our baby hair. And then at this point I realized the glue was getting on my mannequin and my socks, so I had to remove it and put polythene bag to protect the glue from getting on my mannequin. Apply the glue on the band. And then place the hair on the glue. So you're going to apply the glue around the band and then just place the hair on the glue. You can also apply some glue on the hair. And then tie a piece of head wrap on it, just to make it dry. I left it for like 5 minutes, then came back to check just to be sure if it was sticking on the right place.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new.
I had to wrap it again for 1 hour 46 minutes, guys. I went to watch a Nigerian movie, and then here I am, and it was dry. So hold the hair in a ponytail, and it was really dry and looking so natural. To make it so natural, I pulled down the baby hair.
Do me in the worst way. Don't let me sleep. Never say sorry.
And so let me try it on, guys. This hair looks so natural. Just look at it. It is so natural and beautiful, and wow.
So I choke you down just like a pill.
The baby hairs are really not coming out so well the way I wanted them to, but I'll just try. So I applied gel and then wrap it down just to make it lie flat.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
You can style it any way you want. And guys, this hair looks so natural. So I didn't tie it down for long because it was getting dark, and I just love it. It looks so natural. Wow. This hair looks so natural. It just looks like my real hair. I have to work on the baby hairs because they didn't come out so well and perfect, but I just love the hair already. I love it. Look at it, guys.
Don't let me sleep. Never say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but I never will.
So that was it for today, guys. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't subscribe. And that was it for today, guys. If you love this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.
Unajua chali acha wenge, DJ akizingua Jibambe, unajifanya unajua tunakuzunguka denge, mambo flani ya kipungu usilembe. Dance na mio, wacha mizengwe. Dance na mio,